and welcome to Slayed and Favored. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for joining. Today we're going to talk about eyebrow basics. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends if you enjoy. I really enjoy making these videos and I look forward to creating more content for you. So let's get started. I am going to start with my angle tip brush, which is a MAC 263. I'm going to use a concealer brush. This one's by Morphe. A M421. I'm super dyslexic, so that happens sometimes. M421 Morphe concealer brush. I'm going to use Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. I'm also going to use a little eyeshadow. This is just a Violet Voss palette, but you can use any eyeshadow that you like. I'm going to be using this Strong and this Snatched, both a dark and a light brown. Also going to be using LA Pro Girl Concealer. And then this color that I'm using is Toffee. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Toffee. Okay, so also a spoolie. Can't forget my spoolie. And a spoolie. So I'm just going to take the spoolie and brush the eyebrows upwards. So I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows, and then I'm going to take my angle tip brush and map out where I want my eyebrow to start, the highest part of the arch, and where I want it to end. So I'm going to start right here at the tip of my nose. This is where it should start. I'm just going to leave a mark there. And then across my pupil, that should be my highest point. And then from the corner of my eye, that's where it should end. And then with a little dip brow, I'm going to connect those points all together. So from the start to the highest point, and then from the highest point to the end. And that will be my arch. And the bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to repeat that process for the top portion. It's a little more curved. I'm just going to try to straighten that out a little bit. And then once I have my eyebrow in the general shape that I like, I'm going to start filling them in. First, just starting with some quick straight brush strokes in the front to mimic hair. And then we're going to fill them in towards the tip. And I did go a little longer. I'm going to use some concealer to clean that up. LA Pro Girl Concealer has a brush tip on it. You could either use the brush tip if you don't have a concealer brush, or I like to take out some product on the back of my hand and then use my concealer brush. This color concealer is just a couple of shades lighter than my natural skin tone. This might be just like one shade lighter. And I'm just going to carefully draw a line under here. I'm going to continue with that line and just blend out the concealer. And then repeat the process at the top, making sure I get the shape that I want. And as you can see, the concealer just kind of smooths everything out for you. It really helps with getting that shape just right. So don't be afraid to use concealer. It's your friend. It's like your BFF forever. Just taking that additional concealer and putting it under my eye. Really not used for this video, but there it is. Okay, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow. Just really trying to define this eyebrow. It's also great for creating the ombre look. If you prefer a lighter eyebrow, you really can just skip this step. Just make sure everything's really filled in and blended. So I'm just blending out this black and then going in with my concealer, cleaning up any little slips I had. And then going in with my spoolie to blend out that black. I didn't want it to be too harsh. I kind of wanted to have an ombre effect. Now I'm still working on my ombre, so save your judgment. Lots of blending here and checking to see that the eyebrows are pretty much even. And I'm going in the other side with the black as well. Fun fact about eyebrows, they are not twins, they are cousins. You will notice that there will be something slightly off about your eyebrow. The more you practice, the better you will get at it. So just be kind to yourself. Continue to practice. Even in this video, I didn't get my eyebrows like exactly the same. I still wasn't 100% like in love with them, but I try not to obsess over them because, yeah, it can be a problem. So more blending. We're blending. Just trying to take out that harsh square there. I want to take my concealer brush. Now, I don't have any additional product on it. This is just what's ever left over. And I'm just going to make that little, those, I guess it's a box. Making a box. Just trying to get it just right. I'm going in with my lighter brown eyeshadow. Just to fill in that space there. Look pretty good. I feel like I lost my arch a little bit. So I'm going to go back over with my darker brown and redraw that arched area. I have to tell you guys, moment of truth confession. I was looking at these eyebrows like, why am I doing the eyebrow tutorial? This is not going to be perfect. Oh no. But I'm glad I did it because you need to see everything is fixable. Practice makes perfect. They're never going to be exactly the same. You go through all these emotions, like eyebrows are a trip. I'm measuring it there to see, like, did I get that right? It looks pretty good. I still think my arch is higher on this one, but I give myself permission to not be perfect. That's my affirmation for today. But I was asked, how do I do my brows? Brow tutorial. Here it is. Eyebrows. And then, so if you're not doing a full face, I can blend that out really well. Put my foundation on, put some lip gloss on, and I'm out the door. Eyebrows. Done and done, son. And they're not perfect, but they are decent. Bye. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you do something different with your eyebrows or use a different product, please leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Bye.